Our first secret ingredient for glowing skin is peanut butter. 100% peanuts, no oil added. And that's because with pure peanut butter, people can eat a quarter cup every single day without putting any weight on. And now let's focus on our skin. Peanuts are one of the best foods for vitamin E, which is fabulous because vitamin E is an antioxidant. It protects you from UV rays and it hydrates your skin. Each one of these bars will provide you with about 12% of your daily recommended vitamin E intake. That's the same amount as half a cup of boiled spinach. Ugh. I know which one I'm choosing. Next, I'm going to sweeten this a bit with golden syrup. Most people will tell you to use maple syrup, but seriously, my budget can't handle that right now, especially for a really simple, basic, everyday recipe like this one. I'm only adding a little bit. Having a lot of glucose in your blood literally makes you look older. Today. But if you have a sweet tooth, don't worry. I'll make this up later with some chopped dates. They have all the fiber in them that will slow down the blood sugar spike. And this cinnamon here is also going to help reduce any blood sugar spike. So we won't be looking older today. But back to cinnamon. My favorite thing about this is that cinnamon is wildly high in antioxidants. It has 100 times more antioxidants compared to spinach. So even this little teaspoon has got you covered. Next up we have rolled oats. I love rolled oats because they are like a secret anti-inflammatory superstar. They have fiber in them and fiber is like the best thing ever for fighting inflammation. Oats also have a secret anti-inflammatory compound that's so unique that literally only oats have them. And now we have chopped dates. Not the expensive medjool. I love dates because they have lots of fiber in them. Again, for the inflammation and for reducing your blood sugar. It's time to add in some whole peanuts. This will boost your vitamin E even more. If you can afford it and you want to double your vitamin E yet again, then use some almonds. They are the #1 food for vitamin E. And now for the worst part of the recipe. Trying not to eat all of this straight out of the bowl. Instead, press the mixture into a lined tin and top with some whole peanuts and pop into the freezer overnight to set. It's that simple. These peanut butter bars feel so indulgent. They really do feel like a dessert bar or a sweet snack bar. But honestly, I think they're great as breakfast bars as well if you're on the run. The oats, the peanut butter, and the dates will give you a nice slow burn in energy, unlike processed cereals or commercial nut bars which have a lot more processed sugar in them.